So first of all, we have created a part. Then we are going to make a stair-like such structure so that we can convert it to terrain. So that will help us to repaint and do some different stuff on that terrain. So we have just created this part train. Then we are going to create a folder and drag and drop all these parts in the folder and rename it like part. So you have the folder to convert it in the terrain. So now we are moving to the toolbox and then select the plugin, and we are going to type like convert folder to like terrain and train and something. So we have convert folder train this plugin. This will help us to convert all of the parts uh, at once, like we never have to select one by one, and then you can select and deselect this from the plugin subsection. Then you have to select the folder that you want to convert into train. So then we can select any material that you want to apply on, like for example we have selected a brick. Then uh, just hit the convert and that is converted into brick. So like this we have converted the stairs into bricks. So we can also change all these things into different terrain material, like snow, water, sand, salt, anything. So for example, for we are a cube stone, and then we are going to change with the asphalt, then with the mud. So you can change it to anything, or any uh, material. Like this we have changed this to the grass material. It's like looking like grass is grown over that uh, stairs. So we can apply some different train settings on this converted terrain. So like select levels, smooth, uh, flatten, like we are going to flatten some a bit, and then we can draw like this, and we can draw more like this. Like you can see we have created just stair monsters type thing. So you can convert this with the terrain folder to terrain converter. So it will convert all your folder. So then you can clear that if you want to, and you have all that part that you have already, or you can change the transparency to show that again. So it will work like this, and it also work with the different tools like Archimedes. So for example, we select a single part from all of them, duplicate this, and then create some different like path, or maybe anything that you want to create it. um, this Archimedes normally create a path that will generate more smoothly and with angles. So like this we have created a circle with parts. So all of these parts are just normal Roblox parts. So we are going to convert this with the train, so we can use that also. So we have created another folder, drag and drop all these parts with this folder. We have named that rename the folder with circle, and then select the uh, folder to terrain plugin, then select the material and hit convert. Then you can see we have converted a circle with the grass. And now we can also do this with the stairs. So it's a queue like shape that is generated by the this plugin. So this will help you to create a shape that is created by a part, and you can convert this into terrain. So this will help.